Welcome to my Cyberly Splunk series. In this video, we will learn about a very useful command, loadjob, that every Splunker must know. This command will help you to avoid running expensive searches again and again for certain cases. Loadjob command loads event or result of a previously completed search job. You can load the result in two ways, by specifying the search job ID or by specifying the scheduled search name and the time range of the current search. Let me give you demo now. For example, let's run this search for demo. Let's run this for 3 days. In this demo, my search is getting completed in short time, but in real world scenario, you might have some expensive search that could take longer time to complete. So the search has completed. Now once this search is completed, by looking at the result, some other thought might come to you that you want to see different thread. So we have this thread column, right? Now suppose if you want to see different kind of thread, right? So one way will be to run the search again with some more command like stats group by thread, right? The smarter way of doing this would be to use loadjob command. So let's see how to use it. So let me open another tab. So for this you have to use loadjob command, okay? And after this you have to give search job ID. So where you will get the search job ID? You will get it from here. Edit job setting, and then after SID equal to, right? This is your search job ID. So you just need to paste this here. Okay. So see here 241922 events. Okay. I go here, same number of events, right? So now I have loaded the same result over here. Now on top of it, I can write my further comments. Count by thread, right? So see, now I'm getting how many different kind of thread I am having and the count of it. Okay. So now suppose if I am interested in only archive file. So I want to see all the result where thread equal to archive file. Right, so you see you have all the events where thread is equal to archive file. So benefit of loadjob command is that you can load your old search result and work on that. That means if you want to add some more filter to previous search result, then you need not to run the new search. Instead, you can load or call the previous completed search or save search result and then add your filter on top of it. Okay, now let's go to the another option. Now using loadjob, we can also call our save searches, schedule searches, right? So let me show you a demo for that. So I have this throughput detail as a scheduled search. Okay, this is saved as a report, so it can be alert also. So here in my demo, I am telling you about the report, a scheduled report. Okay, so if I click on view recent, so it will tell me that okay, for how many times it has done. The recent one is this one where when it generated 931 event. Previously it generated this 2187, then before that 824. Now we will see. Okay, let me click on this one to see what were the events. So this was the results. Okay, this was the result of when it ran last time. Total there were 931 events. Okay, so let me click here and Now I want to call this particular I want to load the result of this in my search. Okay, so how will I do it? I will say, so for this you have to use parameter safe search. Okay, you have to use parameter safe search. Then you need to give your user. So I am running Splunk as admin right now. So if you are logged in as some other thing, say you have some ID or you have some other username, you need to give that over here. Okay, then you need to mention that in which app you want to run this. So here I will give a search app. Okay, so if you have some other app and you run your search in that, you can give in that as well. Then I will give the name of the safe search. Okay, so now here the few points to note are like this throughput detail. Okay, let me go to here. So currently this throughput detail is available globally. So suppose if this throughput detail is available in particular app only, so you need to give that app, it will work in that app only, it will not work in some other app. So you need to check what is the permission for this particular that particular search also. So if I come to permission, okay, see, this is for all apps. That user must have permission to read it. If you don't have permission to read, then it will not load. Okay, second point to note is that in this particular scheduled report, so let's see when it runs. So it run at every 10:49. Okay, so it's done at 10 a.m. 49 minutes. So when I am running this search, okay, so when I am running this search, I need to give the time when this search was actually, when this scheduled report or scheduled search actually ran. So this ran 10:49, right? So suppose if I am giving 15 minutes, right, it will not give me any result. It will give error. So I need to make the time 30. Okay, it ran at 10, right? So let me put it 9. Okay, let me put this as 30 and put it 11. Now this should load. Okay, so see, I got all 931 even. Now second thing is, suppose if I am running this for say 7 days, okay, then also I will be getting the result. So what I want to tell you here is that if I go here, I can see three times it ran, right? So there are 3 results. Recent one is 931, okay, before that 2187, and before that 824, right? And it ran daily at 10:49, right? So if I am running last 7 days, okay, which result I will get? So I will always get the, by default I will always get the recent one. Okay, they are so let me tell you one more thing. So if I go to this link, okay, this is Splunk doc link, yeah, same as this one. Okay, so Splunk provide various other arguments as well, but now I will not overcomplicate this. Okay, I will let you to explore it and comment in below what are the various ways that you can use it. Okay, so that's it from my side, and if you want me to focus on particular topic in my next video, then let me know that in comment as well. Thank you.